everybody, welcome back to another episode on Kristie vs. Kitchen. Now, I'm really excited for today's episode because it's officially September, which means it is pumpkin season, right? It's the season for pumpkin recipes. And I have to tell you, when I went out to find pumpkin puree, I had to hunt high and low because our shelves are sold out. It's like a toilet paper crisis all over again, except it's pumpkin. But don't worry, guys, I did find some. So what we're going to be doing today is making a 3-ingredient pumpkin chocolate chip bread recipe. My favorite part about pumpkin season is the pumpkin bread, all of the baking. It is so good, but this is by far one of my favorite things, and I want to see if we can actually make it in 3 ingredients. So this is what you're going to need. 1 box of spice cake, 1 can of pumpkin puree, and guys, this is like gold out there right now, so if I were you and you want to make some pumpkin recipes, hit the stores before they're all sold out. I'm telling you, my shelves were cleared here. It was crazy. And chocolate chips, which I forgot to grab, but you know, in my house, we have giant chocolate bars, so I will be using this for chocolate chips. That's literally all the ingredients that we need. Got the oven preheated to 350 degrees, and that's it. Let's begin. I'm always a pretty big skeptic when it comes to these 3-ingredient recipes, but sometimes I've been really surprised. Every time. So we need 1 whole spice cake mix, the whole can. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I got a little bit worried. I thought I was gonna have to buy a pumpkin and make my own. Comment down below if you wanna learn how to make homemade pumpkin puree, and I may just have to do that for you. One thing I love about pumpkin is that it's like super versatile. I'll even add it to my Kodiak pancake mix and make pumpkin pancakes. Super easy and really good. We're just gonna mix this together. All right, it's done. Super simple, and it smells like the holidays. It smells amazing. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and line the baking sheet for the muffins. Big chocolate chips, but I think it'll taste really good. Okay, now I'm just gonna take the 2-spoon method and fill these. In the oven they go for about 20-25 minutes, and I'll check them. And because there's no eggs in it, these are gonna be good. All right, I just did a toothpick test on them. So I did end up letting them bake an extra 5 minutes, so 25 minutes total. I think they're done. I'm really excited to taste them because they smell amazing. So I'm just gonna let them cool, and I will see you guys in just a few minutes. All right, you guys, we're back, and we're gonna go ahead and try these. So these look really good. They come out of the papers very easily. The bake looks good. All right, let's go ahead and give this a shot. They're kind of falling apart, but really good. Dang, that's an amazing hack. The pumpkin flavor is good. The spice cake is a really good balance. The chocolate was pretty good inside. If I were to do it again, I would make sure to grab actual chocolate chips. I would have grabbed semi-sweet. The milk chocolate makes it like very sweet, so I would have done that. These would be really good with cream cheese frosting on them. Just saying. I do just want to add that I think that these would be really good even without chocolate chips. Just as the pumpkin and the cake mix, it would be a really good bread with like some butter on it. Really good overall. I recommend this recipe, and just remember, it was only 3 ingredients. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching another episode on Kristie vs. Kitchen. Make sure to like the video if you liked it, subscribe, hit the bell, and let me know what other pumpkin recipes or holiday recipes, because the holidays are coming up, that you would like to see me make. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.